Everyone, this is Kijo Vlog, Philippine Actor Peace, saying good of Southern Radio, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad ko tayo reaction video sa Dumbbell Compilation. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Nasa Cebu pala sila today. Okay. Nasa Cebu for today's video, hindi mo kaya. Ay. Okay. Tingnan ko nga to si Cara. Parang magaganda yung mga...
Before na, if we're gonna have an argument or, you know,
Sila na talaga.
sana we
Sila
end
na
the day
talaga.
fixing it.
We make sure to fix it before we continue on. Yeah.
Before we sleep on it too.
Yeah. What's one instance that we could share?
Or before doing, like going sa set, like let's say we have a misunderstanding or an argument. We talk before going sa set.
Yeah.
You see each other every day and then it just piles up and then now you just have to what? Fake it? And hindi kami kasi ganun eh.
Okay. Yeah, so like,
Maraming times.
marami ka.
Pero mas maraming okay.
Mas marami okay.
Mas maraming
Sabi ko
okay.
naman.
Maraming times na hindi na tayo okay.
Mag-usap tayo after.
Ay, isa pa yun.
Hindi, joke lang.
Have you ever had an argument that you think made us closer afterwards?
Oh yeah. Marami. I think the arguments do make us closer.
It wasn't
Yes.
just
Always
perfect
easy.
ah. Ang
Ano
dami
ba
rin
yung mga
naming
arguments sila?
moments na
Ano yung about sa
tao kami.
You know what I
Kahit namin
mean?
mag-usap, it's not each other we're against.
Yeah.
We're against the problem.
Yeah.
Hey, we're in this together. We're not supposed to be against each other because we
Yes.
believe in each other and we should be the ones to lift each other up.
Yeah. Automatic yan
Yes.
pag lumabas na po lahat ng tao sa tent. Uusap na kami.
Ay, talaga?
Pero we don't
Ay, talaga?
No, because we don't
Sabi
like
niya,
having other
talaga?
people involved.
We really talk.
Like remember, there was one time on set, you had to go na to the next location, but you weren't okay pa. I was doing a scene. I asked Derek if I could leave to drive to her first. So we stopped muna for a bit and we talked about it. And then I think it worked out. Joke lang na mas ma-escalate pa sana.
If communication is really something we both really value. But we really like tries to understand me and he really has that patience to like, hey, are you okay?
Bakit
If
kaya
you
ang
want,
kalmado?
like, even
Pag
kami
Donbell
nag-work,
talaga,
hindi
ang
kami
vibe kalmado,
okay,
no?
okay. So it takes so much
Kalmado
patience.
talaga.
Grabe pala yung pasensya nitong lalaki.
Oo.
After all these years,
Para sa'yo. So, sweet. Ganda ng kanta. Alagang-alaga talaga ni Donnie si Belle. Sa true lang. Sa true lang, alagang-alaga niya talaga niya. Oh my God, 25 million na pala. Donnie. Ay, ano to? Ito talaga eh. Yung pagbigay ng bulaklak, nasa BTS. Nasa BTS talaga ang tunay na kilig, ma'am. Sa totoo lang. Nasa BTS nga naman talaga. Saan na lahin? Oh, loko. Sana all. Charis! Charis! Nasa BTS talaga, ma'am. We cannot deny the fact. Chares! I love Don Bell. Akala ko umiyak talaga si Donnie dyan. Oh my God! True! Ah, yes! anyways. Dito muna tayo. Grabe, no? Parang prenup, no? Grabe. Parang prenup talaga to. Ganda nito.
What's a soulmate?
It's like
Ay,
Sabi nila, kapag in love,
si Bong. Kamusta na pala to si Bong? Parang hindi na natin to. Ay, Cheska. Ay, Bong! Ang gwapo din mo kasi ni Donnie. Ang gwapo din kasi naman to. Ay. This is the red carpet, no? Si Papa P, ang dali pa lang. Oh my God, watch this one. Grabe yung himas. I can feel the love talaga. Sa totoo lang. I can really feel the love. I swear. Walang eme. Sa true. Diba? Mapipili mo talaga ang love, diba? Matagal yan ang boses mo po. Ganun talaga. Charis! Alright, there you go guys. Ito sa mga photo taste from Don Bell to 16 for plus. Enjoy the next one.